Hi chefs, welcome back to Closkitchen, and if you are new to my channel, welcome. Today I will be making some shredded chicken tacos. So let's see what the ingredients will be for this recipe. For this recipe I'm using some dry celery flakes, some parsley flakes, some seasoning salt, some garlic powder and some onion powder. I also have 2 chicken breasts which I have soaked in some vinegar water and rinsed under cool running water. To season my 2 chicken breasts, I'm going to start off with some dry parsley as well as some dry celery. Next, I'm going to add some onion powder as well as some garlic powder. Next, I'm going to add some seasoning salt to taste, as well as 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. I'm using my clean hands to rub the seasonings on both sides of the chicken breast. In order to spread the juicy flavors throughout the chicken breast, I'm going to use the tip of my knife to add a few slits on both sides of the chicken breast. I'm going to let it sit for about a minute so that it can infuse all the flavors. I'm going to add my 2 seasoned chicken breasts to a medium-sized pot along with the seasoned juice remaining in the bowl. Next, I'm adding half a cup of frozen mixed bell peppers and onions, as well as 2 cups of water, enough to cover both chicken breasts. This next step is optional, but I'm going to add a touch of sea salt, Now I'm ready to cook my chicken breast covered for 30 minutes. Once the chicken breasts are cooked, remove them from the pot and place them into a bowl. Once my chicken breasts have cooled down, I'm going to use a fork and a knife to shred both chicken breasts.
I put the brakes on before you could start it. Turns out the key to my heart, you ain't got it. No, 'cause you think you had me, but you've been outsmarted. No, your problem's too big to sweep under the carpet. No, but what you didn't know, girls talk. What you didn't know, is we talk about you. What you didn't know, girls talk. What you didn't know, what you didn't know. What you didn't know. Girls talk and you've been caught. Tell me what you know about that. Yeah, you hot, but you lost, and I'm gone, and now you never get me back. You gotta be crazy if you think you get away, but you're not, 'cause you've been caught, and now you never.
Once I'm done, I'm going to set them aside.
I to keep secrets, but everyone knows them.
For this next step, I'm going to preheat some olive oil on medium heat.
There's plenty of fish if you wanna keep
I'm adding some mixed bell peppers and onions. Then I'm going to use my spatula to stir. Then I'm going to allow them to cook until they are translucent or soft. Whilst the bell peppers and onions are cooking, I'm going to add some dry parsley as well as some dry celery. I'm also adding a teaspoon of garlic, and I'm going to use my spatula and mix all the ingredients. Now that my vegetables are cooked, I'm going to add my shredded chicken. I'm using my spatula to evenly spread the vegetables with the shredded chicken. In order for my chicken to stay moist, I'm going to add some of the remaining broth. I'm using my spatula to mix the chicken breast with the broth. I'm going to allow it to cook for 10 to 15 minutes on low heat. Whilst it's cooking, I'm going to add a teaspoon of soy sauce to give it a little bit of color. I'm going to mix the soy sauce evenly with the shredded chicken. Once the sauce starts to bubble, lightly sprinkle some cumin powder. Mix the cumin into the shredded chicken and allow it to cook until the water has dried out. Always make sure to do a taste test when you're cooking. And also stir the shredded chicken occasionally. To add a little tangy taste to my shredded chicken, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of lemon pepper marinade. Then I'm going to use my spatula to mix in that lemon pepper marinade. My tasty shredded chicken is finally done. I have added my shredded chicken to a tortilla with some lettuce and condiments of my choice. You can also make chicken sandwiches with your shredded chicken. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.